All right, hello again. This is Amanda Matson, and I have a quick video on finding documents that have things like confidence intervals and p-values. And so this is Clark's Library's website. And on Clark's Library's website, there's a button that takes me to databases. And from here, I can pick a subject I care about. I care about math, but like maybe you want to look at education or environmental studies, like whatever. Once you have that, it pulls up some databases that have information that it thinks are relevant to you. And so pick one of those. And then this brings you here. And you get to type in whatever you want. So this is the topic I care about, is water quality. And then to make sure I get stat type results, I'm going to include the word analysis. And so this part here, water quality, I want to make sure is a thing. And so I'll put it in quotes. And I want to, I'm using the advanced search because I want to make sure that I get the full text available to me. I can also choose things that are peer reviewed. So this is my search. And when I search for water quality analysis, then I can look down here and it gives me performance analysis of the water quality index model, or maybe the assessment of water quality based on statistical analysis, right? All of these options for which one I want to do. And they've got these little things that say linked full text, right? And so make sure that you can see the full text that's available. All right, so water quality, let's see if I get lucky. I have a full text over here. So linked full text. So this is the performance analysis of water quality index. And then I can read some things. I'm not sure what this means, but it's all there. And I'm going to search. So Control F to search. And I did p space less than, and it found me a p-value. There was a significant statistical difference among the classifier models with p less than 0.05. So I'm going to hop over to Posit Cloud. It doesn't really matter which file you have as long as you're in RMD. And I want to know negative log 2 of it was 0.05. So whatever your p-value was, put it in there. And hit play, and it says 4. And so the chances that the results are shocking. The same as flipping 4 coins and getting all hits. So when I look at this one, I should have paid attention to which one I've got. So this one. Right. There we go. So there's a significant statistical difference among classifier models at p less than 0.05. So the difference, the odds that these things are actually different are the same odds as having 4 coins tossed in the air and getting all heads. It says less than, so maybe the odds are worse. Like they're worse. The odds that they're different is stronger than 4 coins. Maybe it's like 5. But they only give us at the 4 coin level. You can look at other articles like this one had quite a few. Again, I did a search for p is less than, and this one came up with 9. And so when I highlight it, like this one has p is less than 0.01. Remarkably, in this recent period, minimum sea ice coverage in the summer is found to be related with maximum sea ice coverage in the following spring. And so the odds of them being related are the same odds as p being less than 0.01. If I hop over to Posit Cloud and do negative log base 2 of 0.01, then I get 6, almost 7. So the chances that the sea ice in winter. Next with the sea ice in spring. Was that what I just read? Are as shocking as flipping 6, almost 7 points and getting all heads. Like, that's pretty notable. So I would be like, yeah, there's a definite connection there. Right. Here we have, there's not a relationship between this. Like, I can't find one, and P was 0.3, right? If P is 0.3, I'm gonna get like 1 or 2. Like, I can't say anything when CP is 1 or 2. And so for this, I want you to be able to find an article that's interesting to you, and then find me a p-value in that article somewhere, and use your S value. Oh, here's one. We perform a linear regression on the temperature anomalies at each depth level, and the linear trend to be statistically significant at all depth levels. P is less than 2.5 E negative 6. 2.5 E negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. 18 or 19 coins. Like, yeah, that's significant. And so the odds of their model like working are the same odds of flipping 19 coins and getting all heads. Like, that's a good model. So that's how I look at p-values in journal articles and use them to understand what's going on. All righty, thanks.